Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a campaign in Activecampaign. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm on my dashboard currently, and what I'm going to do to create a campaign is to go into the campaigns window. Now, if you have an empty campaigns tab, if you don't have any created campaigns, you'll just see that it's empty and it'll give you a button that says create your first campaign. I already have a couple of campaigns, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on create a new campaign in the top right. Here you can select which type of campaign you would like. Usually I pick the standard for these videos, but I'm going to select split testing. And as you can see, what would you like to test? Either email subjects and or from information, email subjects from information, and email content. I'll select this one. I'm going to name it the campaign test 4, and then I'm going to click on next. This will take me over to the main editor. Excuse me. But yeah, once you're in the main editor, you can name it whatever you want. I'll name it test 4. You can add a pre-header, which I won't be doing. This data will automatically fill up with your name and email. Then you can select if you want to determine a winner or not during split testing. This differs based on the type of campaign you've selected. But yeah, what is common, you'll need to select a subscriber list. I will select this one. You can create a schedule if you want, but that's optional. You can also select the tracking and automations that you wish. And then you can add your physical email address, which I won't be doing, but yeah, that is pretty much it. Now, to create an email, you can create it with an email designer or with the HTML builder. If you're doing a classic campaign, you can create it text only. But yeah, if you select create with a designer, you can select whichever one of these templates you would like, or you can start from scratch if you want. I'll select this template. Here you can edit your email to look however you want using this editor. It's very simple to use. You just drag the blocks or structures to the main page over here, and then you can go ahead and create your email. Then once you're done, just click next. And as you can see, you need at least 2 variants, so I'll add another variant. So while that's loading up, or when that loads up, I'm just going to add a image block just to, make it a bit different, and then click next, and then it's saving changes. Then it'll take me back to the editor, and then if I added my physical return address, I would be able to send it now, but because I didn't, I can't. But that is pretty much the gist of it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.